In a previous video, we talked about using the auto tracking feature of Camera One, the new Move SE. And we talked about activating it by pressing the button on top of the joystick. But how do you know whether or not auto tracking is on or off once you've pressed the button? Maybe you didn't press it hard enough, or maybe you pressed it twice. So there is a way to find out, and it's shown on the screen here, the LCD screen. I'm going to press the button. You see that the camera is set on camera one, which is the only camera that uses or that can do auto tracking. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button here and watch the display in the LCD screen. You see a real quick message flash by, and it doesn't stay on, but it does say that auto tracking is on, and when you press it again, as I'm doing right now, it says auto tracking is off. So I'm going to try and capture the frame that actually shows what this message says. But that is a way to find out whether auto tracking is on and off. And if you don't know, you can always press it a couple of times to see, and it'll turn it on and off, and you'll know which state it's in and whether or not it will be following the subject that you have properly framed.